Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to new session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So in the previous session we completed with Book 1 lesson number 1 and today we'll start with lesson number 2. So let's begin. Bismillah. So here it is written Ad-Darsu Sani. Ad-Darsu Sani. So Daras means lesson and Sani means second. So this is lesson number 2. And topic for lesson number 2 is Zalika. Zalika meaning that. So in lesson 1 we learned about haza meaning this. And in lesson 2 we'll learn about Zalika. Zalika meaning that. And both of which are demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun used to point out at something. So we use haza or this for pointing out at something which is closer to us in distance, and zalika meaning that, pointing out at something which is far in distance. Okay, so let's begin. Here the first question written is ma zalika. Ma zalika. Now we know that ma means what and zalika means that. Final translation is what is that? Referring to the object. Ma zalika, what is that? Zalika najmun. Zalika najmun. Zalika means that, and najmun means a star. Final translation is that is a star. Okay. Ma zalika. Ma zalika, what is that? Zalika najmun. That is a star. Moving on to the next. Haza masjidun. Haza masjidun. Now we know that haza means this and masjidun means a masjid or a mosque. Okay. Haza masjidun meaning this is a masjid. Haza masjidun, this is a masjid. Wazalika baytun. Wazalika baytun. Wa means and, zalika means that, and baytun means a house. Wazalika baytun, and that is a house. Wazalika baytun, and that is a house. Haza masjidun, this is a masjid. Wazalika baytun, and that is a house. Okay, next. Haza hisanun, wazalika himarun. Haza hisanun, wazalika himarun. Haza means this. Hisanun means a horse. Wazalika, wa means and, zalika means that, and himarun means a donkey. Haza hisanun wazalika himarun. Haza hisanun meaning this is a horse. Wazalika himarun, and that is a donkey. Okay. Haza hisanun, this is a horse. Wazalika himarun, and that is a donkey. Okay. Haza hisanun wazalika himarun. This is a horse and that is a donkey. Next one. Azalika kalbun. Azalika kalbun. Now we know that hamza with a fatha means is, and this is a type of yes or no question. Azalika kalbun means is, zalika means that, and kalbun means a dog. Referring to the animal here, is that a dog? Azalika kalbun, is that a dog? Is that a dog. Question mark. Is that a dog? No, right? That is not a dog. That is a cat. So the answer is La zalika kittun. La zalika kittun. La means no, zalika means that, and kittun means a cat. Azalika kalbun. Is that a dog? La zalika kittun. No, that is a cat. Azalika kalbun. Is that a dog? Answer is no. La. La means no. Zalika kittun. No, that is a cat. Okay. And the last one here is ma zalika. Ma zalika. Ma means what? Zalika means that. Final translation is what is that? Answer to which is Zalika Sarirun. Zalika Sarirun. Zalika means that. Sarirun means a bed. And final translation is that is a bed. Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika Sarirun. Zalika Sarirun. That is a bed. So let's revise all the words that we learned today. Let me use another color pen. Okay. Ad-Darsasani, lesson number 2. Okay. And topic for lesson number 2 here is Zalika, meaning that. Zalika meaning that. So in lesson 1 we learned that Haza means this and Zalika means that, both of which are demonstrative pronoun used to point out at something. The first question was Ma Zalika. Ma Zalika meaning what is that? Ma Zalika meaning what is that? Zalika Najmun. Zalika Najmun meaning that is a star. Zalika means that, Najmun means a star. Final translation is that is a star. Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika Najmun, that is a star. Next, Haza Masjidun. Haza Masjidun meaning this is a masjid. Haza Masjidun, this is a masjid. Wazalika Baytun, and that is a house. Wazalika Baytun. Wa means and, Zalika means that, and Baytun means a house. Wazalika Baytun meaning and that is a house. Haza Masjidun Wazalika Baytun. This is a masjid and that is a house. Okay. Next, Haza Hisanun Wazalika Himarun. Haza Hisanun Wazalika Himarun. Meaning this is a horse. Haza Hisanun meaning this is a horse. Wazalika Himarun, and that is a donkey. Haza Hisanun, this is a horse. Wazalika Himarun, and that is a donkey. Next one, Azalika Kalbun. Azalika Kalbun, is that a dog? La Zalika Kittun. No, that is a cat. La Zalika Kittun. No, that is a cat. Ma Zalika, what is that? Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika Sarirun, that is a bed. Zalika Sarirun, that is a bed. So that's it for today's session. Inshallah, we'll continue with lesson number 2 in the next video. Until then, do subscribe to the channel and push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.